Another one says 8x+1 minus 8x minus 1 is equals to, all right, this is what we have. Find the value of x. Okay, how do we do it? Method 1. On how to solve this. All right. Okay, every 1 is equals to minus 1 plus 2. 1 is equals to minus 1 plus 2. Okay, so we're going to have 8x minus 1 plus 2 minus 8x minus 1. So am plus n is equals to am an. This, we're going to apply this. Okay, we're going to apply this. Okay, how do you apply it? Say 8x minus 1 and then 8 squared minus 8x minus 1 is equals to 3024. So how do we deal with this? We're going to say what is common here is 8x minus 1. 8 squared minus 1 is equals to 3024. All right, let's go further now. We are going to say, what is this? This is 64 minus 1. 8x minus 1 is equals to 3024. All right. Okay, how do we solve this? This is 63 multiply 8x minus 1 is equals to 3024. All right. So we have divided both sides by 63. So 8x minus 1 is equals to 48. Now we introduce log on both sides. Introduce log on both sides. Where is our both side? First side says 8x minus 1 is equals to 48. This is our first side and both sides. Right. So we're going to have log 8x minus 1 is equals to log 48. All right. So how do we deal with this? Now, log AB is equals to B log A. So this comes to this. B log A. So we have this. So it means we are going to have x minus 1 log 8 is equals to log 48. Both sides divided by log 8 log 8. So this cancel this. X minus 1 is equals to log 48 over log 8 over log 8. Right. Now 48 is equals to 8 times 6 log 8. 48 is equals to 8 times 6. So we're going to say x minus 1 is equals to log 8 times 6 divided by log 8. So how do we solve this? We're going to say x minus 1. We're going to say x minus 1 is equals to log 8 plus log 6 all divided by log 8. So x minus 1 is equals to this is equivalent to log 8 divided by log 8 plus log 6 divided by log 8. So this cancel this. They are the same. Now we have 1 x minus 1 is equals to 1 plus log 6 over log 8. So let's continue. Remember having this. We're having x minus 1 is equals to 1 plus log 6 over log 8. Log 6 over log 8. Alright, now 6 is equals to 2 times 3. 2 times 3. Now 8 is equals to 2 to exponent 3. So how do we solve all this? We say x minus 1 is equals to 1 plus log 2 times 3 divided by log 2, 3. So x minus 1 is equals to 1 plus log 2 all divided by log 2, 3. And then we'll be having plus log 3. In these instances, we are going to have x minus 1 is equals to 1 plus. This is the same as 2, 3 log 2. Okay, we're going to have log 2 divided by 3 log 2 plus log, okay, sorry, let me fix this. We're having something like this: log 3 over 3 log 2. Okay. All right, how do we solve this? Now, let's cancel this. We're going to have x minus 1 is equals to 1 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 over log 2. Yeah, having something like this. Okay, these two, x minus 1 is equals to 7 divided by 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 over log 2. Now, this, let's solve this. This is the same as log A log B is equals to log BA. So we're going to have x minus 1 is equals to 7 divided by 3 plus 1 over 3 log 2 3 log 2 3 log 2 3. So we have division of 3 both sides. So let's add the top one. Let's add the top one. Let's see how we're going to solve this. All right, we are having x minus 1 all over 3 7 plus 1 log 2 3. This is what we have. Is equals to our answer is x is equals to 7 plus log 2 3 divided by 3. Now the question is, where is minus 1? Now minus 1 is here. We say x minus 1 is equals to 1 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 over log 2. All right, now x is equals to 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 over log 2. This comes to this, give us 2. So this gave us 7 over 3 x, and then plus 1 over 3 log 3 over log 2. As we go further, x is equals to 3. 3 is equals to 3 7 plus not 7. Yes, let's see what happened here. Let's see, plus log 3 over log 2. So x is equals to log A over log B is equals to log BA. X is equals to 7 divided by 3 log 2, 3. This one.